Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, we're diving right into how you can customize your task views on Todoist using filters and sorting. First things first, let's log into your Todoist account and click on the Filter tab on the left-hand menu. This is where all the magic happens. By creating and applying filters, you can view only the tasks that meet your specific criteria. This is important because it helps you focus on tasks that are most relevant to you at any given point. Once you've clicked on the filter, let's click on Add Filter. Here, you'll be able to define your filter criteria. You could choose to filter tasks by priority, due date, project, or label. The reason we do this is to streamline our task list to only show the tasks that are most pressing or relevant. Now that we've done that, let's bring in the sorting feature. Go back to the main task view and click on the sort icon at the top of the list. This helps us because it allows us to order our tasks in a way that makes the most sense for us. For example, you can sort tasks by due date to see which tasks are coming up next, or by priority to tackle the most important tasks first. Next up, combine the power of filters and sorting. Apply the filter you've created and then sort the resulting tasks. This gives you a highly customized task view tailored to your specific needs. It's a game changer when it comes to managing your tasks and boosting your productivity. To wrap things up, customizing your Todoist task views with filters and sorting allows you to focus on what's important, manage your tasks more efficiently, and ultimately get more done. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, productivity is just a few clicks away.